these control basket strainers. I'm gonna replace them. Get rid of this. Put a new air gap. It's all leaking. These are the basket strainers, and this is those little things up top. What control these, but they're not really functional any longer. Okay, that was holding it on. So now I gotta cut this so I can pull it out. Or I guess I could. What a jerk for using that. I guess I could try to undo that. Undo the air gap. I'll be able to take it out. Yeah, no. Oh no, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Boy, that's nice. So I gotta save this plate for this to work. So I gotta get all this off. Got some of it off. I'm gonna have to cut these old rusted bolts off, screws off with a multi-tool. Try not to mess up the plate here because everything hinges on this stupid plate. Got it off with the damn multi-tool. This just needs to be replaced, dude. I mean, what are we doing here? I can't believe it actually worked. I'm honestly surprised. This was on the disposal. So the disposal outlet is right here, and the basin is in the way, and then the air gap is going to be on this side. So they made this little contraption. Probably going to have to stick with it. Otherwise, this is not going to bend. There's no way. Okay, so we got the drain right there. This is gonna go something like that. So we're gonna cut this maybe about right here. Yeah. So now we'll expand it for First, we got to put a hose clamp on. Hose clamp. Not like that. Spin it. And then, oh, there you go, right like that. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfecto. Angle that up. And then we'll, yeah, perfect. Air gap to the drain. That was not easy. So to get this to work, I had to use one of these, another faucet. Because the other one is mounting to that plate, and we couldn't get it to work, so we had to use another one of these. But it's holding now. This is a shallow basket strainer. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. I have another one in the truck like this. Now we just need a couple tail pieces. I'll be surprised if nothing leaks. Last thing, angle stop adapter for 1/2 inch to 3/8. 1/2 inch by 3/8. Low flow. See that low flow? I'll show you why that's doing that. There's a kink. There's a kink in the line. That. And then boom. Perfect. Oh, there's a leak. Coming from that. No. thought I saw a drop. I'm like,
Yeah, I did too.
I think it was that right there. That little nut. This just needs a slip joint washer. There was not one on there. That should fix the leak.